Jasmine Helen, I admire how genuine you are. I admire how pure your intentions are. And also, all my life, lagi kong wini-wish na sana may ate ako. And start nung last week, naramdaman ko na I have ate besides me. And I'm so happy for that na pinaramdam mo sa akin. And ina-admire kita doon kasi hindi lahat kayang maging ate sa hindi mo naman kaano-ano. I admire how strong you are also kasi nakikita ko din yung sarili ko sa'yo. Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na every time na nagsasalita kayo, na-admire yung pagsasalita mo kasi I love how you speak up to everyone then. Like you are, like grabe. Kahit kay Kuya, lagi ko sinasabi na nakikita kita na pure yung intentions mo and how genuine you are talaga. I think I found my ate na. And it's here, standing.